Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ricardo, and today we're diving into one of the most important concepts in technical drawing and engineering graphics, and that is orthographic projection. If you have ever wondered how we turn a 3D object into a clear 2D drawing that shows every detail, this is the key. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between first angle and third angle projection and when to use each one. So let's get started. Orthographic projection is a method of representing a three-dimensional object in two dimensions. We do this by projecting the features of the object into planes that are perpendicular to each other. Usually the front, the top, and the side views. These views are then arranged in a standard layout so anyone, whether an engineer, an architect, or even a builder, can read and understand these drawings. In short, orthographic projection translates a real object into clear, measurable drawings. There are two main systems used worldwide. One, first angle projection, commonly used in Europe and most of the world. And second, third angle projection, which is the standard in the United States and Canada. Let's look at how each one works. In first angle projection, the object is placed in the first quadrant. That means the object sits between the observer and the plane of projection. Imagine this. You're looking at the object through the glass projection plane. When you project the views, they appear on the opposite side of where they actually are. So when you unfold the planes, the top view is placed below the front view. The right side view is placed on the left of the front view. That's the key rule. Views are placed opposite to their actual position. For example, you're doing an orthographic projection. The right view will appear on the left hand side. The left hand view will appear on the right hand side. Top view will be below and front view will be above. You'll often see a small symbol indicating the projection type. This will come in the form of a truncated cone viewed from the side. For first angle projection, the cone's smaller end faces the left, as you can see. Now, let's move to third angle projection. Here, the object is placed in the third quadrant, meaning the plane of the projection is between the observer and the object. So, when the views are projected, they appear in the same relative position as the object. That means the top view is placed above the front view. The right side view is placed on the right of the front view. In short, the arrangement matches how you see the object in real life. That's why many people find third angle easier to visualize. And this is my default way of drawing. I always draw third angle projection by default. And remember, the symbol again, in third angle projection, the cone's smaller end faces the right, as you can see. So, that's the basic of orthographic projection, both first angle and third angle. Understanding these systems is essential whether you're drawing by hand or using software like AutoCAD. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos on technical drawing, AutoCAD, and engineering graphics. Drop a comment below telling me which projection symbol you use, whether it's first or third angle, and why.